Hopefully this DIY project turns out cute because this is the only option I have for today. Okay, so I saw this girl on Instagram. I'm just gonna follow her tutorial that she did and we're gonna go from there.
For the girl that's at me in a rush, this one is for you. First
And I'm in a rush.
Grab your t-shirt and also grab your little scissors. You're gonna go in and cut off the entire sleeve of one arm.
Okay. Hopefully this is a good angle for y'all. If y'all know me, y'all know that I love to support Uki like on the fits, okay? Like shirt, pants, whatever you name it, I'm gonna wear it. So we're gonna cut the left sleeve off. Actually, it doesn't even matter whatever sleeve you want. We're gonna cut off the full left sleeve, okay? First, you wanna get yourself some great scissors and maybe some fabric cutting scissors. These aren't that, okay? Don't be like me, be better than me. Yeah, these are not fabric scissors at all. Okay, y'all. I really hope that this turns out cute. So I'm gonna hold my excitement until the end. Woo. Okay. We got the sleeve completely off. The next thing I'm gonna do is cut a piece off of this sleeve, okay? Just a piece. We're gonna cut the collar off now, okay? And she said it doesn't have to be perfect, but we'll see about that. Collar is off. Now we're gonna take the scissors up midway on both sides of the shirt. Everything is cut in position where it needs to be. The final part that I have to do is when the shirt is on. So let me decide which pants I want to do. I was thinking about maybe these cargo pants, possibly, and like a white pump, or I was thinking like these cargo pants to give the outfit a little bit more like difference. I don't know. So it's between these two. Let's just try them both. I love these cargo pants. They're like perfect. I got them from Fashion Nova. They actually came with like a two-piece set. I'm gonna try these first with the shirt. Let's get the shirt on and see what she's hitting on. This is what the shirt is giving. I think I wanna cut the collar deeper so that it falls off my shoulder a little bit more. So let me do that really quick. Okay, I think I like it way better with more of the skin up here showing. So I'm just gonna take both of these sides and tie it. You can pick any side that you want, but I'm gonna go with this side and tie it. Like this, and then tuck it if you want, just depending on how it falls. This is how the shirt looks. I'm thinking about going in with these white pumps. I got these from Fashion Nova as well. I'm gonna see if I like these pants better or if I like the fatigue pants better. What do you guys think? Obviously need to do my hair, but you get the point. What do you guys think about this option? This is option 1. Let's look at option 2. What do we think about this one? I haven't even looked at it yet, so let me go look at it and come right back. Honestly, I think the blue pants look better. Like, this isn't bad, but I definitely like the denim cargos better. So I think I'm gonna go with these. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go with these. I'm going to do my hair really quick and then I'll be back when it's time to go. This is the final look. I decided to go with this denim hat because I wanted my hair not blocking the shirt. So I'm like, let me just throw on a hat. And I feel like it's doing its job. It's giving the shirt the attention. I feel like if I wore my hair down, that it would just block everything. I feel like off shoulder moments are very cute when the hair is out the way. This is the look. I don't have a bag today. Don't want to talk about it, but I have pockets if I need to hold anything. But yeah, this is the final look for the game. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if y'all want more videos like this. Okay, I love you. Bye.